sarap ng pagkain, no? Hindi ka mahilig diba sa pakita ko sa inyo yung paligid dito sa temple. Ang ganda rin guys, oh. Hi amazing people! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is our day 2 dito sa China and andito pa rin kami sa Hangzhou and we will be starting off the day very early dahil kami ay pupunta na sa Holiday Inn para mag-breakfast. I-enjoy namin ang aming breakfast and it's 6:45 AM today. Sobrang aga ng call time and the beautiful thing about this is that may parang wake up call sila dito, may tatawag para inform ka na wake up call na, mag-breakfast na kayo para hindi talaga kayo mag-oversleep. So, marami tayong pupuntahan ngayon guys at i-share ko pa rin sa inyo yung detailed na mangyayari ngayong day 2 and share ko lang din yung view dito sa aming hotel guys. Ayan. Tignan nyo ang view dito sa aming hotel. Wait lang, ipapan ko yung camera. Ayan. So, ito yung view ng hotel. Guys, from here, dito sa aming room. Napakaganda. Kaya talagang gigising ka ng ganito kaganda yung view mo. City view. And, yun nga, sabi ko marami tayong pupuntahan ngayon. At, i-share ko sa inyo guys kung ano-ano yung mga pupuntahan natin at kung ano yung magiging experience natin ngayon. Day 2 dito sa China. And ngayon din yung araw na tayo ay magta-transfer na mula dito sa Hangzhou papunta sa Shanghai. So, isa dun sa mga pupuntahan natin, just to share with you is yung Westlake. Magkakaroon tayo ng experience dun sa boat, dun sa lake. And then, Longjing Imperial Tea Garden, kung saan may tea picking experience and magta-tasting din tayo ng tea. Meron din tayong shopping tour sa tea shop doon and then we'll transfer to Shanghai and then punta tayo sa Xintiandi Plaza, Oriental Garden, The Bund, Lujiasu Escalator and kung kaya pa daw, itatry din natin i-squeeze yung Hanfu experience or yung costume experience. So, yun nga, jump pack day to day and kahit konti yung tulog, excited kami. So, tara guys, samahan nyo kami. Guys, pababa na tayo. Pupunta tayo dun sa breakfast area. So, mula dito, mag-elevator tayo hanggang sa second floor. Tapos from there, lilipat tayo papunta dun sa Holiday Inn. Kasi, and sabi dito, wala. Gusto ko yung wala. Ito pala yan. And, second floor to Holiday Inn lobby. Baba tayo. Kasi guys, yung breakfast nila, doon lang talaga sa Holiday Inn lobby. So, punta tayo doon. Yan guys, from second floor, sundan natin itong nakalagay Holiday Inn. So, dito. 6:30 AM yung start ng breakfast guys. Tapos siguro may nagbili na yung tour guide namin, si Frank na, or 6:45 mag-set ka ng alarm sa kanila. Kaya may alarm talaga. Pero gising na kami bago pa mag-alarm. Ayan guys, nasa lobby na kami ng Holiday Inn. Uy, may mga claw machine love oh. May parang ano. Gusto ko yung natuwa ako sa claw machine. Saan yung breakfastan dito? Tanong natin sa kanya. Hi, where's the breakfast? Okay, thank you. Good morning. Okay, dito daw tayo. Okay guys, so ito na yung kanilang breakfast buffet. Ayan mga. Morning!
Naligo na kayo?
Ganda ng question mo. So guys, iikot ko lang kayo mabilis sa kanilang buffet. We do have fried rice, fried noodles, farmhouse, stir fry, broccoli. Oh, puro gulay guys, ang sarap. Puro gulay. Sarap. Puro egg. Ay, ito, mga eggs. Ito, sausage. Pork and beans. Ano? Parang fried donut, ganun. Beef fried dough sticks. Mantaw. Naman to. Dumpling. Ayun na yung mga ano. Mga, ito kala ko laing. Pero ito may noodles sila dito, guys. Tapos, mga siopaw. Ito kamote. Tapos dito, guys, merong porridge. Parang lounge lang yun. Ayan, guys. Ang dami ding bread dito sa bandang dulo. Ang daming bread. Ito, mga masarap. Ube. Ube ba ito o munggo? Tapos ito parang bread din. Tapos sobrang daming fruits. Guys, ayan o. May kimchi. And ang dami. Ito salad bar naman. Tapos dito sa kabila, guys, mga drinks. And so, we'll get some na muna and then balikan ko kayo. Okay, guys, so ito yung mga kinuha naming food. Kumuha ko ng minced pork, dumpling, gulay, of course, broccoli. Kumuha ko ng isang anong tawag dito? Ito? Buchi. Yan, buchi.
Naku, mahirapan tayo.
Tapos rice. Tapos kumuha ko ng salad tsaka bread. So, kain muna tayo, guys. And syempre naman pala, kumuha ko ng maraming fruits. And so, unahin ko na tong watermelon. Ang sarap. May cantaloupe din sila tsaka melon. Yan. So, kain tayo, guys. And titikman natin tong minced pork nila. Masarap daw to eh. Ay, masarap nga. Masarap yung pork. Sarap, guys. 10 out of 10. Tapos, try natin tong gulay. Wala pala silang spoon dito, guys. So, fork lang tsaka chopsticks. Ang sarap. Ang sarap din. In fairness,
Pwede ito hindi malungkot. Parang pancit ko lang.
Guys, masasarap yung food. In fairness, tapos included na to dun sa aming package. So, enjoyin muna natin to lahat, guys. Guys, tapos na kami sa breakfast. Grabe, heavy breakfast. And grabe, ang sasarap ng pagkain, no? In all fairness, dito sa Holiday Inn. Syempre, siya eh. Kilalang hotel naman to, kaya talagang masasarap yung pagkain. So, dito na tayo dumaan. Dito na kami sa labas dadaan. Para mas madali, hindi na kami ikot-ikot. Tapos, quick change lang tayo, guys. Ligpit gamit, kasi check out na rin natin ngayon. So, rekta na pagbaba, dapat dala na yung mga gamit. Dito lang. And then, babalikan namin kayo mamaya para sa ating tour. So, stay tuned. Okay, guys, welcome back. At nandito na tayo ngayon. Masakay na tayo ng bus. Okay.
The people who live in there, like the big family. The other family name is Sam. After that, we from there go to the Wasley. Then take the boat, look around the Wasley cruise. Then have lunch. After lunch, then we go to another village, water village. Then we change the hand food. You can look around, take some photo, and then you take the time machine back to the old China. Then this village compared with the other water village, the big difference is today this pier have a local people living inside. Okay, so it means if anyone you want to buy some local items, they're cheaper than some other tourist area.
So guys, ayun na nga, andito na kami sa bus and malapit na siya dun sa aming first destination, dun sa may tea tasting, Longjing Tea yung tawag. And kanina sinasabi na nung aming tour guide na yung Hangzhou pala, it used to be the capital daw, capital city before, tapos napalitan na lang. And papakita ko lang yung view, guys, parang Baguio. Ayan, yung mga bahay, tsaka medyo mga pataas, maraming puno. Para siyang ibang lugar, para siyang Japan, ganun. Ang ganda guys, ang ganda naman, maganda siya. Tsaka medyo maganda din yung panahon. Sana lang huwag masyadong mainit. Okay guys, so nandito na kami sa aming first stop, which is Meijiao Village. And ito yung itsura niya kanina, yung dinaanan namin. Parang rice terraces. So this all the key to help people with the function of the key. And the way come here. Nandito daw mga tea. Let the air dry, let the water to go. Okay, then put inside. First time. The temperature is on 250 degrees to 300 degrees. If you don't know Chinese Kung Fu, don't try. Yeah, before you use the fire, you can now use electricity because it's much easier to control temperature. Okay, the third step, after that, here. Put inside again. Let the air go. Then, one more time, put inside. It's very easy. This one is much easier than the first time. Then, you get a tea. 6 steps. Okay. 6 steps. And then the season is very important. In the spring, the tea is the best. And in summer, it's very bright. Look at like this. Guys, ito yung view guys. Ayan, kita nyo ba yun? Kita nyo ba yun? Ang ganda. Ito na pala yung mga tea. Ayan. Seriously? Yeah.
For our regular people, one for rich people. Compare. This little bag.
Ang ganda. Guys, ang ganda ng view dito. And tapos ito yung mga tea. Ayan. What's the tea? Here's the tea. And and ikot ko lang kayo sa buong temple or village na to. Ang ganda.
Wah, taray naman yung pagkaganda.
So guys, nagpicture-picture lang kami doon. Dito na tayo pupunta sa tea tasting. Ito yung tea tasting. May matcha oh. Let's go for matcha. Mamadali si Frank. May lakad pa siya. So pupunta kami dun sa parang tasting area. Sandali yan guys. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa channel na ito na AJTV Amazing Travels, mag-subscribe na kayo dahil malaking tulong yun para sa akin na may pagpatuloy ang paggawa ng mga ganitong klaseng travel content. And now back to the vlog. Ayan guys, so nandito na tayo. May open forum daw. Guys, mag-hi kayo sa vlog guys.
Yung huli niya.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Ni hao.
Ladies and gentlemen, first welcome to our tea village. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
And for me, I was born here, local people. And in my childhood, my mother picks the tea. My father dries the tea. And I drink the tea. Very easy job, yeah. And today we are going to drink our national tea, yeah. Here we have 2 grades. This one's a green color, picked in April, is the second picking in spring, yeah. This one's a red color, picked in March, is the first picking in spring, the first harvest. We call it Empress tea, yeah. And for the Empress tea, we never export, just keep here because the quantity is very small, yeah. And today we are going to drink the best one, Empress tea. And excuse me, when we make tea at home, please don't spoil the water, just hot water, about 80 degrees, okay? Because if the water is too hot, it will kill the nutrition of the tea, yeah? So we should boil the water first, then cool down for 3 minutes, then you can use it, okay? But you are from Philippines, right?
Yes.
Philippines is very beautiful, okay? But hot, humid, okay?
Yes.
So when you go back home, yeah, for the green tea, you can also use cold water or room temperature water to make it, just like the bottled water to make it. And if you like sweet taste, you can put some honey and the lemon inside. Then put in the refrigerator. Tastes very good. That is iced lemon tea. You like iced tea? Yeah. You can make by yourself at home. And it's kung fu. Okay.
He knows Kung Fu.
Okay, pass down, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
Only for smelling.
Oh.
You can shake the glass, just like wine. Then smell it. Yeah, what about the smell? Very fresh. Very Many people say that.
It smells like fish.
Like a fish. Many people say that it smells like spinach.
Wala kami yun sa Pinas eh.
Because it's organic tea. Natural. Yeah, okay. And after smelling, our lady, she will add more water for us. The second cup is for drinking. Yeah, okay. And excuse me, yeah, please pay attention to the mouth of the teapot. Could you tell me how many times does the pot move up and down? Three times. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Please don't try at home. Yeah. You know, some people stay up late in the morning, black circle. We call it panda ice. Okay, all eye bags. Okay, and the modern people in the office, mobile phones, computers, or reading books, eyes are easy to be tired. So you can try to like this at home. Okay, for my grandmom, every day before she goes to bed, she uses a cotton ball, yeah. Then dip so warm tea water, then clean around the eyes. It's very good for the dry eyes, yeah, can prevent cataracts, okay. But excuse me, yeah, only green tea, not a black tea, yeah. If you use a black tea, it will be more black. Okay, yeah. We always say green tea can refresh our eyes, okay. And this tea is our national tea, yeah. Before we dry the tea leaves, we use the tea seed oil. Just like we cook vegetables at home, we use oil, yeah. Can prevent the tea leaves from burning, yeah. But now, could you find any oil in your cups? Any oil? Oil? Yeah.
Find
no
oil.
Yeah. This is because on the top there's not oil, that's a tea fur.
No oil.
Yeah. Because today we are drinking spring tea, it's very young. Tea fur is a symbol of high quality of green tea. Just like the baby, a lot of fur on the skin, right? Okay. Oil is not like this. This is because there is a very important nutrition in the tea leaves called tea polyphenols. Okay. Polyphenol, tea polyphenols, yeah, which can absorb the fat and oil. That's why some people know they drink tea to lose weight, can absorb the fat in our body. Okay. Here are 2 empty glasses. Yeah. For example, it's our stomach. Okay. And every day we have meals. This is rice. Regular rice, yeah, rice, yeah. Every day we have meals, but you know nowadays a lot of fruits, vegetables, and rice are with pesticide residues. You know many fruits taste sweet more than sour because of the use of cyclamate. In addition to food pollution, there are also air pollution, water pollution, and so on, which will harm our health. Okay, and this one is an iodine. You know iodine. The iodine in our skin, yeah, it's a strong oxidant. Okay, I also put some inside. Yeah, it resembles unclean food I just mentioned, or unhealthy eating habit. You know, some people they like smoking. Yeah, no matter first-hand smoking or second-hand smoking, they are very harmful to our life. Yeah. In addition to smoking, there are also many people enjoy drinking alcohol. Yeah, this habit will damage our liver, and staying up late will also cause serious damage to our liver. Yeah, and there are also many people, you know, they don't eat breakfast or eat casually. They prefer fast food for lunch and have a big meal for dinner, as well as midnight snack. not good. And KFC, McDonald's, fried food, not good. Okay, yeah. You know, modern people, we are not suffering from malnutrition, but rather from overnutrition. Okay, slowly, you will find our body turns black. Too much toxin, yeah. So too much toxin in our body, they slowly turn our face. That's why the doctors of traditional Chinese medicine first they judge a patient by face, such as black spots. Okay, for ladies, if the black spot is on the corner of because of the different style, this going to the pH is 7.18. A little bit alkaline, so it can balance the uric acid. Go for the gout. You know gout. The joints. It can influence balance. Okay.
Guys, masarap siya. Pag di ka mahilig sa masarap. Ay, wow. Ito na.
Thank you very much. Okay. You can see the water already turns clear, and then later the rice will slowly turn white. Yeah. Because the rice is oxidized strongly, just like the toxin in our body, maybe 20 years already, maybe 30 years already, also like high cholesterol, or fatty liver, or high blood pressure, maybe 10 years already, maybe 15 years already. Not so easy to get rid of them, but slowly, yeah. If you buy 2 cans, baby free.
300 yuan yan, guys.
In the package, then 2 babies free. So 1 can is 300 yuan. 4 cans, 4 times, how much? 1, 2, yes. Okay.
No discount for 4.
No, sorry. And then later, for the empty can, another one I just mentioned, FDA approved. So we do export to US, San Francisco, biggest Chinatown. We have a corporation, yeah. But how much? In San Francisco, 1 bottle costs $158 US dollars, more than 1,000 yuan, yeah. 3 bottles in 1 box times 3 costs more than 3,000 yuan, very expensive. Because you know the shipping fee, the tax costs a lot, and there is also a middleman makes money. Okay, here is the original price. 1 box is 1,800 yuan. The price almost half because here duty free. Okay, if you take 1 pill a day.
So guys, tapos na yung discussion and bumili na lang ako ng baby. Kasi gusto kong matry ng parents ko, tsaka nung kay parents din ni Kai. Ito is 150 yuan. Tapos pwede kang manghingi ng empty canister para pwede naming i-refill. Para hati na lang kami. Tatry lang naman, hindi pa naman natin sure. Tapos, pakita ko sa inyo yung paligid dito sa temple. Ang ganda rin guys, oh. Ayan, ang ganda niya guys. Sobrang panalo dito. Ganda. Ano siya? Parang nasa ibang mundo talaga. And so nasa sa inyo pa rin, option naman yun guys, hindi naman siya compulsory kung bibili kayo o hindi. Kung bibili ka o hindi, pero medyo persistent lang talaga sila, but you can say no and wala naman sila magagawa pag nag-no ka. Tapos dito bago mag-exit, meron pa sila mga souvenirs and may mga food. What's that? Ay, no. Ayan. So ito yung mga souvenir nila. Mga jelly. How much is the jelly?
Jelly. 25 one bag.
Oh, 25. Parang may pasampu ka kaagad dun ah. Guys, palabas na tayo dito sa Longjing Temple. Ayan. So, Budulan area na naman. May mga nougat candies din sila dito guys. Mga nakikita to sa Taiwan. 40 naman to, 40 yuan. Tapos, ayan, mga 40 yuan each. Pag kino-convert ko yung 35 yuan, parang nasa 300 pesos na rin pala siya. Ito guys, may mga keychains din dito. Keychain is 35 yuan. Panda yan lang, no? Beijing. Ayan. Mga keychains guys. Tapos may mga pin din. So, if you feel like buying some souvenirs, pwede dito. Tapos ito may mga ref magnets din. Walang nakalagay na ano, Hangzhou. Ay, meron. Ito pala.
Ito, ang nice.
Ang 35 yuan din yan mga yan guys. 35 yuan. Tapos ito may mga Chinese food na yan. Ayan guys. Chopsticks. May mga chopsticks dito. magaganda guys, pero sabi ni Frank, meron daw kaming pupuntahan mamaya na sa Shanghai na mas murang souvenir shop. So, batsi na tayo dito. Pinakita ko lang din para at least may idea kayo. Pero syempre, dun tayo sa mas makakatipid tayo. Ayan.
Pero ganda na yung magnet ko.
Ito, 35 yuan din to. Tama, 35 yuan din to mga to. Okay, so we're good na guys. Labas na tayo, nabudol na kami ng tea. Ng 1-2. 1-2 pala yung 150 na yun. 150 yuan. Okay, so palabas na tayo guys. Dito sa exit. Munti naman dapa. Sa exit guys. Alam mo parang pag lumabas ka, akala mo different country siya. I mean, di ba, who would have thought, di ba, sa China may mga ganyan kalalaking pine trees na parang Baguio, na parang Banawe. Ayan, so ang gaganda. Ang ganda dito guys. Na-enjoy namin to. First stop pa lang to guys ng aming day 2 na tour. And we'll check kung saan pa tayo pupuntang next. So guys, papunta na kami sa aming next destination. Pero since mahaba na tong vlog na to, i-end ko na muna siya. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanood ng episode na ito ng ating Shanghai Vlogs. At kung nagustuhan ninyo ang video nito, please give me a like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. And do not forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking future vlogs. Abangan ang next episode kung saan pupunta tayo sa Westlake. Bye!